Hey guys, Rob Timmer, where we do how-tos, reviews, and just talk about life stuff. Alright guys, we're back. We can do a quick accessory update. So I'm not gonna lie, I had this for probably 3-4 months or so, right? But the touchscreen has really given me issues. No matter how much you put your fingerprints on, it's not too bad. If it's that bad, you just go to screen cleaning mode, just wipe it off real fast. There's like zero glare most of the time. But since I already bought it, it's kind of been sitting around, can't waste money on it. And it may be better, maybe I don't have to actually wipe everything off. So a while back I got the SpeedGen. It's basically going to be an actual glass protector. So it's a 9H surface. This one's the anti-glare. And it's pretty easy to install for what it looks like. You're literally just it comes with a case. You press the case on. You're gonna swipe back and forth in the middle, pull the case off, and then squeegee out the rest, right? And just make sure it's clean beforehand. And so the packaging is pretty good. Kind of ran through everything. You get a little squeegee. It comes in a little toolkit right here. And then with that, get the usual wipe. Get some cleaning wipes. There's gonna be some dust removal sheets. You get 2 of these. And then pretty simple after that, right? So here's the actual case with the glass inside. It's actually gonna press onto it, slide across, and then boom, should be done. Should be pretty easy. We'll get to it. Hopefully it's nice. If it's not, I'm gonna let you know it's not. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are using. If you found, is there even a reason to put it on? If it is, what did you actually choose? What do you think about it? Let me know. So of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that bell notification to get all the latest videos. So make sure it's clean as possible. You don't want to get anything on it, so we just pull the back off. Make sure there's no dust. Pops right on. Then you wait for 30 seconds. And after peeling that off, now we're just going to squeeze out the bubbles. All right, I think that's pretty much it. Let's see how it looks. Still clear, no issues with the touch. All right, still works like a charm. All right, that was it, guys. Quick and easy, no hassle, and we're good. Drove around the block a little bit to see what the anti-glare is. It's on point. There's no issues with color or anything like that. The touch is still working pretty good. Hope that was a quick, easy video. We'll keep stuff up, let you know if it's good or not. So I'm down for this one. Make sure you subscribe, like, hit that bell notification, and keep up with this.